All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Well, look at this NASDAQ, 10.5, 11, something like that, trading right on its lows. And the S&Ps are sitting here right at that major level, 24.96. I did a little bit of homework, and my line in the sand for the NASDAQ is 58.97. So if we get below there, convincingly, I'm bearish anyhow, based on those numbers. Those numbers, the major levels that tell me, well, NASDAQ just traded down to 8.5. Based on those major levels, those levels are telling me, you can't really think about buying any kind of break until we get down. The next major level in the NASDAQ is 57.02. And that would make all the sense in the world, really. It really would. We get that good correction, and you think about it, it's only in the NASDAQ, that would be what, 60 high. So if they're already down 100 points, what is that, 2%? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Would it be an 18% correction down to 57 even? 30 points? I don't know. I don't know what it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The NASDAQ doesn't want to know. There go the SPOOs now, 5.25 bid at a half. SPOOs got a low of 5 even. NASDAQ 7.5 trade. Something stinks out here, and I don't know why they're leaning on it with a half an hour to go, but I'm short, and I'm a little bit bummed out that the NASDAQ has broken this much, and the S&Ps are what, down? What are they, 5 even right now? They're down 4.5 points, but the NASDAQ's down 28. So, we don't want to be. You know what the numbers have told us, and this is one of the reasons why I shorted the S&Ps, is that it's all about the NASDAQ. It's just like I wrote about it over the weekend. I love when the NASDAQ leads, and the NASDAQ is telling me you don't want to be long. The historicals are telling me it's September, you don't want to be long. The historicals are telling me we're looking for a low in October. I've been beating on that drum for quite a while. I'm going to continue beating on it. We've seen this market continue to sell off here leading into Wall Street, and the bonds are stuck here 12 bid at 13. Don't want to know. Don't want to trade them. I think they're going higher, but I don't want to trade them. So I'm looking at the soybean market today and tomorrow. You know what my story is there. I bought 8 3/4 and I sold them at 9 1/4, and then I just moved my bid down. So I'm moving my bids down as we go, and I'm more interested in really picking up this long position in the beans tomorrow, but I'll buy the break today. I will buy the break, but continue to take a little bit of money if I buy them. But tomorrow's the day when I really want to get into the trade, and I don't mind taking a half a cent, 3/4 of a cent on some scaled in buys in the SPOOs in the beans, and then have to pay up tomorrow. That's okay, because I'm trying to time this, and timing tells me I'm looking for a low either today or tomorrow, but really tomorrow. So that's about all I have. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off.